What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to make a website on GlossGenius. So today's tutorial is really simple, but I wanted to keep up till the end to not miss out on anything. So first, you have to sign in or log in. Visit the GlossGenius website and create an account or log in if you already have one. Then access the website builder. Once logged in, navigate to the website or site builder section from your dashboard. GlossGenius offers various customizable templates. Pick one that suits your brand style and customize your website. Then, set up a booking. Integrate the booking feature if you want clients to schedule appointments directly through your site. Then, connect to social media. Link your social media account to your website to enhance engagement. And after that, preview your site. Before publishing, use the preview option to see how your website looks. And lastly, publish. Once satisfied with your site, hit the publish button to make it live. And that's it guys.